Hello class 10 warriors, let's discuss chemistry. Metallurgy. Metallurgy is the process of extraction of a metal in a pure form on a large scale from its ore. Common terms used in extraction. Minerals. Minerals are the naturally occurring compounds of metals which are generally mixed with other matter such as soil, sand, limestone and rocks. Ores. These are the minerals from which metals are extracted commercially at a low cost and with minerals effort and with minimum effort. Gang or matrix. These are earthly impurities associated with minerals. Example: sand, stone, mud, soil. Reduction of metallic oxides to metals. Metal oxides below aluminum are reduced by reducing agent like Gang or matrix. These are earthly impurities associated with minerals. Sand, stone, mud, soil. Reduction of metallic oxides to metals. Metallic oxides below aluminum are reduced by reducing agents like hydrogen, carbon monoxide to remove oxygen from metal. Zinc oxide only reduced by heating carbon. ZnO plus C coke powder give rise to form zinc and carbon monoxide. Copper oxide CuO plus H2 give rise to form copper and water. CuO plus carbon give rise to form copper and carbon monoxide. CuO plus carbon monoxide give rise to form copper and carbon dioxide. Lead oxide PbO plus hydrogen give rise to form lead and water. PbO plus C give rise to form lead and carbon monoxide. PbO plus carbon monoxide CO give rise to form Pb plus CO2. Iron oxide FeO plus H2 give rise to form Fe and water. FeO plus carbon give rise to form iron and carbon monoxide. FeO plus carbon monoxide give rise to form iron and carbon dioxide. Extraction of aluminium. First, concentration of ore. Main ore. Bauxite. Formula Al2O3.2H2O. It is done by three processes. Concentration of bauxite, also known as Breyer's process. Electrolytic reduction of molten alumina. Hall-Heller process. Third, process of molten aluminium. Hope's process. Breyer's process or purification of ore. First, oxide dissociates in soda solution, produce sodium meta-alumina. Bathing of copper metal alumina to get ppt of aluminum hydroxide AlOH whole thrice. Heating of aluminum hydroxide to get molten alumina Al2O3.2H2O give rise to form 2NaOH aqueous of temperature 140 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius give rise from 2NaFlO2 plus 3H2O. NaAlO2 plus water at 50 degrees Celsius give rise to form sodium hydroxide NaOH and aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide give rise to form temperature 1000 degrees Celsius give rise to form Al2O3 plus water. Molten alumina. Extraction of aluminium or electrolytic reduction of molten alumina or Hall-Heller process. This is the diagram. They can ask like diagram based question, means diagram given and ask regarding the question. This is the carbon lining. carbon lining, and this is the cathode. This is the anode. Cathode negative charge, anode positive charge, and here it is given graphite rod. This is the graphite rod. Electrolyte, cryolite reaction Na3Al F6, reversible reaction Na plus plus Al3 plus plus 6F minus, force bar CaF2, reversible reaction Ca2 plus plus 2F minus, molten alumina Al2O3, reversible reaction 2Al3 plus plus 3O2 minus. Electrolyte, cathode carbon lining, anode graphite rodding. Electrolyte, this I have already tell. These are the electrolyte. The reaction at cathode. This is the balanced reaction. This is the balanced form. This is unbalanced. Al3 plus plus 3 E minus give rise to form Al. 4 Al3 plus plus 12 E minus give rise to form 4 Al. Reaction at anode. O2 minus minus 2 E minus give rise to form O. 2O 2 minus minus 4 E minus give rise to form O2. 6O 2 minus minus 12 E minus give rise to form 3O2 in gas form. The anode is oxidized to carbon monoxide, further oxidized to carbon dioxide. 2C plus O2 give rise to form 2CO2. Then 2CO plus O2 give rise to form 2CO2 in the form of gas. Important, cryolite lowers the fusion temperature from 2050 degrees Celsius to 950 degrees Celsius. Force bar and cryolite, good solvent for